In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an Excel file into ClickUp. This is a clean way to bring your existing spreadsheet data straight into your workspace so you can manage everything as proper tasks. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to ClickUp. And make sure you are already logged into your account before doing anything else. Once you are inside your dashboard, look at the very top left corner of the screen and click on your workspace name. A small drop-down menu will appear right under it. From that drop-down, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for your workspace. Now, look at the left sidebar inside the settings page and slowly scroll down until you find the option labeled Imports/Exports, then click on it. On the next screen, click the button that says Import Items. ClickUp will then show you a list of all the platforms and file types you can import from. From this list, click on Spreadsheet, since we are bringing in an Excel file. Next, you will see a drop-down labeled Choose Where to Import Your Tasks. Click on that drop-down to expand it. Inside, you can pick the destination for your data. Select the space, folder, or list where you want the Excel file to be imported into. Take a moment to choose the right location so your tasks land exactly where you need them. Once you have made your selection, click Continue to move forward. Now click the Upload File button. A file picker window will pop up on your screen. Browse through your computer, find your Excel file, and select it. After that, wait patiently for ClickUp to process the spreadsheet. Depending on the size of your file, this can take a few seconds, so let it finish before clicking anything else. When the processing is done, ClickUp will show you the column mapping screen. Carefully review the automatically mapped columns. ClickUp tries to match your spreadsheet columns to its own task fields, but it is not always perfect. If you spot a mapping that looks wrong, click on that specific field drop-down and choose the correct field from the list. Go through each one and adjust where needed. The most important mapping to confirm is the task name. Make sure the column from your spreadsheet that holds the task titles is mapped to the field called Task Name. Without this, your tasks will not show up properly. Once everything looks good, click Continue. On the next screen, ClickUp will display a preview table showing all the imported rows. Take your time and review the data carefully. Look out for any cells that are highlighted in red or yellow, because those colors indicate invalid entries or formatting issues. If you find one of those cells, double-click directly on it and fix the formatting right inside the preview. Repeat this for every flagged cell until the table is clean. When you are happy with the preview, click the Complete Import button to finish the process. ClickUp will now finalize everything and create your new list with all the imported tasks inside. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now, head back to your sidebar and open the imported list from there. You will see all your tasks already in place. If the default name does not suit you, rename the imported list to something that fits your project better. Just click the name and type the new title. Finally, look just above the task table for the plus icon. Click that plus icon to add any hidden imported fields that might be missing from your view. This lets you bring back columns that ClickUp imported but did not display by default, so you can see every piece of data from your original spreadsheet. And that is it. Congratulations, you have successfully imported your Excel file into ClickUp, and your tasks are ready to go. Thanks for watching, and I will see you